Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam question number 93 in Electricity Demystified, 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please see page 342. We're talking about the Earth's magnetic field here, the geomagnetic field. This is the Earth, the North Geomagnetic Pole and the South Geomagnetic Pole. Remember that those don't exactly correspond to the geographic poles, they're a little different. The geomagnetic equator runs around the Earth at points equidistant from the geomagnetic poles. The flux, the geomagnetic flux, looks something like this, something like the flux around a bar magnet. And in fact, the Earth is a huge bar magnet, if you consider the bar to run right through along the geomagnetic axis. Well, inclination, magnetic inclination, refers to the extent to which these lines of flux slant with respect to the surface. They have no slant with respect to the surface at the geomagnetic equator. They have the most slant, or the most inclination, right around the geomagnetic pole. So this question is asking us, where will we observe a complete lack of magnetic inclination? That means that the lines of flux run horizontally or parallel to the surface. We will experience that state of affairs at the geomagnetic equator. So the correct answer to this question is A. Remember, the geomagnetic poles do not coincide with the geographic poles. The geomagnetic equator does not exactly coincide with the geographic equator. And in fact, if you're curious, this bar magnet that runs through the Earth doesn't even run right through the center. It's a little off-center, like an apple whose core is a little off-center. Moreover, the North Geomagnetic Pole is in reality a magnetic South Pole, and the South Geomagnetic Pole is in reality a magnetic North Pole. That's why the North Pole of a magnetic compass, it points towards geomagnetic north. But in fact, it's being attracted to a magnetic South Pole. If you're not confused yet, you can do a little internet research and I'm sure you'll manage to get more confused. But seriously, the correct answer here is A.